Russia and China may be preparing a new gold-backed currency, but experts assure US dollar is still the safest currency today. This is an article that appeared in the Yahoo News, Peter Aitken, on October 29th, 2022. The article states China and Russia may be working toward a new gold-backed currency in a move that would aim to dethrone the US dollar as the primary reserve currency of the world, but any such currency would unlikely achieve that goal. This is according to him. The article goes on to say the US dollar remains the safest, most convenient, and most widely used currency in Asia and in the world. No other currency is comparable, and that is unlikely to change in the near future. Neither country has officially confirmed plans for such a currency, but China earlier this year started to buy up huge quantities of gold at the same time that Russia was forced off the dollar due to the sanctions in response to the invasion of the Ukraine. I'm going to put a link to the article down below, but I think this is something serious, and I think this is something that, if you look at the graphs, if you pull up a 20-year graph on, or a chart on China's gold buying or Russia, you're going to see the increases, and it's for a reason. I know that it's just guesstimates on people's part. I think it's more than that, though, really. I think it's a trend. It's a strong trend. I think we've seen Russia and China with their gold purchases. Why? Why the big increases? And I think that, with silver being so hard to buy, gold being hard to get a hold of at times, I just feel like we should be doing the same. I think that it makes more sense now than ever to have our own bank, our own store of wealth in our own precious metals. I think all the more reason for us to stack and not be as dependent on the dollar or on the dollar being the U.S. world currency. I think that it just makes sense. And, when the price goes up, I still nibble at it. When the price goes down, I still nibble at it and buy more. And that's what I'm doing. And I just feel like it's safer in a precious metal than it is in a dollar in a high inflation economy, especially a dollar that's not backed by gold anymore. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am stacking, and I would recommend to you listening that you stack too. Whether it's being your own personal bank, whether it's being just a hedge against the dollar that's in a very inflationary time, whether it's about being able to even barter. I mean, if we had some type of crisis and we had to have some type of exchange that other people wanted. I think that precious metals play into that. I think they're going to play into it in a big way, but that's my opinion. But I think having at least a certain percentage in the precious metals is a smart way to go for you and your family. And it's also a savings way, just little by little. You don't have to, back the truck up. You don't have to have a whole lot of money to start. You can do it little by little. And you'll be accumulating, and it'll be going in the right direction for you. So anyway, God bless you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I'll put the link in the bottom. Also, too, it's a little channel. If you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe, that would sure help out, and I sure thank you for that. Thank you. Bye-bye.